In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Thinkorswim account. To get started, open your web browser and head to the official brokerage website that offers Thinkorswim. Once you're there, look for the option that says Open an Account or something similar. This is the starting point for the application process. Next, choose the account type that best fits your needs. Depending on what's available, you may see options such as an individual brokerage account, a joint account, a retirement account, or even a trust or business account. Take a moment here to read the eligibility details before moving forward because the requirements can vary based on the type of account you select. After that, complete the online application. You'll be asked to enter your personal information such as your full legal name, date of birth, residential address, contact details, and tax identification information where required. It's very important to make sure everything matches your official identification documents exactly. Even small mistakes can slow down the approval process. Once your application details are entered, you'll move on to identity verification. This is a standard part of opening a brokerage account and helps the company comply with financial regulations. You may need to upload a government-issued ID, answer identity verification questions, or provide extra documentation if requested. Try to complete this carefully so the review goes as smoothly as possible. Before submitting, review everything you entered. This is the time to double-check for errors and read through the account agreements, disclosures, and terms. When you're satisfied that everything is accurate, go ahead and submit the application. After submission, you'll need to wait for account approval. The review time can vary depending on the account type, how quickly your identity is verified, and whether any additional documents are needed. You may receive status updates by email during this stage, so keep an eye on your inbox. Once your account is approved, the next step is to fund it. Available funding methods may include a bank transfer, wire transfer, transferring an account from another brokerage, or check deposit where supported. After you deposit funds, wait until they are fully available for trading. Now you can download or access Thinkorswim on your preferred device. In many cases, you can use the desktop platform, the web version, or the mobile app. Sign in using your brokerage account credentials. After logging in, take some time to configure the platform. You can customize watch lists, set up chart layouts, create alerts, adjust workspace settings, and explore the available tools and studies. Personalizing the platform can make it much easier to use. Finally, you can start trading or practice first using the paper money simulated trading environment. That's a great way to get comfortable with the platform before placing live trades. When you feel ready, switch to your live account and begin trading